Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll talk about a wonderful website that would amaze you, entertain you, and help you in your journey of making money online. Thus, whether you are working as an affiliate, an author, a blogger, or a designer, you will need this wonderful website. And this beautiful website for today is Nichescom. Nichescom. And this amazing website is considered as one of the best artificial intelligence tools out there. So here you can generate a lot of copies and a lot of contents regarding any topic and any field. Like you can write blog posts, songs, stories, Reddit posts, social media, marketing, email swipes, ebooks, core answers, and much more of these beautiful websites that you would need in your work and internet. As you see, write anything 10 times faster. Here you will find over 100 tools, and it's about 147 template or content that you can generate here on Nichescom, like acronym, artificial intelligence, story, analogy, app summary, style, app description, author bio, brand name, band name, blog post, some blog post contents like intro, conclusion, description of book, business name for content improver, character for country name, course description for courses if you want to make a course and to promote it in social media. As you see, some digital product, some email letters, digital marketing, some emails as you see, and for Google ads and hacker news, glossary for some memes for social media, Instagram captions, and you'll find here Pinterest description as well, meta description for your blog post, magic paragraph from your sentence, some plots, so you can make here poems for love poem, some rap song lyrics, product ideas, psychology tips, question to joke, quiz question, core answers to promote your products, your affiliate products through Quora platform. As you see, Quora questions, quote generator, real estate field, Reddit post, recipes, and so on and so forth, as well as some YouTube contents. Here you will find a lot of contents and templates that you need in any field: YouTube, blog, social media marketing, and so on. And if we have a look at pricing plans on Nichescom, okay, here you will find some premium plans like rookie, intermediate, and pro plan. And for sure you can use Nichescom for free within a free trial, as you see, without using your credit card details, as you see, your free trial. So now let's sign up here for free on Nichescom to test out the quality and the beauty of these contents. So we can go up here and sign up. And for today, I would like to use a temporary email like this one. Copy back to Niches, password. Okay, that's it. Just to prove you are a human. Get started. And now we are on the dashboard of your account on Nichescom, and here you will find the content tools, which is about 147 templates, okay, as you see. So quickly we can test some of these beautiful templates to test the quality and the beauty of this amazing website. So we can test together something entertaining like love poem. Okay, if you want to make a poems for your YouTube channel that's specific for poems, thoughts, feelings, okay, so we can use this template, use in a new project. And now you have to insert some details about this template and your songs that you want to generate here on Nichescom. So we can insert here business name like My Heart Beating, description, love to my babe. As you see, some keywords like love, straight with some commas, heart, brain, life, and so on. Create your project quickly, and person or thing that you love, so we can select daughter. Okay, and now get text. Just a few seconds and this beautiful website gives you an amazing song about your daughter. My heart beating, it's happening again. My heart wants to shout, my heart wants to break, and mom's love and daughter's love are one in the same, and so on. Beautiful song, beautiful thought, beautiful feelings that you can present in your YouTube videos, in your YouTube channel, in your social media that's specific for the daughter and the mom relationship, and so on. Okay, so the first template that we have tested now is Love Palm, and now we can go back to try something else quickly, like this one, Pinterest description. If you promote your product through Pinterest as a social media, whatever your product is, print on demand, affiliate, digital product, and etc. So we can type here a t-shirt, for example, if you are working on print on demand business. Description like a t-shirt with a nice design about Pernese Mountain Dog. Okay, for pet niches, add some keywords like Pernese, like pets, love, gifts. Okay, and t-shirt, for example. Okay, and now create your project. Perfect. Title of the Pinterest pin like Pernese Dog Lover t-shirt, for example. Get text quickly and simply, and you'll find your description of your Pinterest pin ready. This one. This is perfect t-shirt for any Pernese Mountain Dog lover. This is so cute, and it would make a great gift for anyone who loves pets. And here we'll find some great hashtags to make your bin more noticeable on the home feed and the search results of Pinterest. Pernese Dog lover t-shirt, as you see, and something like that. Perfect description of your pin on Pinterest using this amazing website, Nichescom. Okay, so you can use this amazing website to generate your copies for your social media, for your plugin business, to make your stories, songs, ebooks, your posts on Quora and Reddit, and so on. And I don't forget this amazing deal from appsomo.com. Here you can get a lifetime access of Nichescom just for $60, one-time purchase of this amazing platform, and you have a lifetime access in the Pro plan. Okay, as you see, just for $60, and you'll find the link of this offer below in the description box. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video.